If you're looking for an OddsJam review and some crazy bonuses for picking up OddsJam, you're in the right place. Now, I've actually got a really cool video coming out in the next week or two, which is going to be a full-on course on sports arbitrage. I taught it in an online community that I used to run, and I'm actually going to release it for a limited time on my primary YouTube channel. So if you want that, make sure to be following my main channel right here. In this video, I want to spend a little more time talking about the free bonuses you are going to get if you decide to sign up through my affiliate link. An affiliate link simply means you don't pay any extra. I get paid from the company, from OddsJam, for promoting them, and in exchange, I get to give you a bunch of free stuff for signing up through my link, including full access to my course forever if you decide to sign up through my link. So also, if you want to go to my other channel right here, it's just at Jake Thornhill. Sorry, I know you can't see that part, but if you come down, I did 2 videos end of the basketball season last year where I tried sports arbitrage for 28 days. Here's what happened. Made like $7,500 of profit in the first 28 days, which was crazy. And then I do a little bit of a review of OddsJam right here. So I do have those kind of out, but the full course is coming in the next week or two on this channel, which I'm so excited about. And then in this video, what I want to talk about is the free bonuses you're going to get. So bonus number 1, I actually didn't even include here, but will be full access to that course. Again, I'm going to release part of the course on my main Jake Thornhill channel, but anyone who decides to pick up OddsJam through my link is going to get full access to the course forever, as long as you want it. So all you'll do is use the link in the description. It'll take you to this page. When you click this button, it'll take you to OddsJam, and then you complete your purchase. And email me at info@jakethornhill.com so I can send you these bonuses. So let's talk about them. What bonuses are you going to get aside from the full course? And again, the full course is everything I knew. I actually made the course. I think I made the core of it right after that first month. So right after I had just pocketed $7,500, pretty much risk-free. Easiest money I've ever made. It was crazy. So I made the first part of the course then. And then as I continued to learn and had some tips and tricks and questions that people in the community were asking me, I added those in. So those are the extra things that actually won't even be included on this channel, but you will 100% get for signing up using my link. But on top of the full course access, you're also going to get bonus number 1, the Arbitrage Quick Start Checklist, your first $100 to profit. So it is a little overwhelming. I'd actually never done any form of sports betting prior to sports arbitrage, so it was a lot of stuff for me to learn. I didn't understand. I was super nervous the first bet I ever placed. Like, is this thing legit? Like, I see it, I understand it, but like, is there something I don't know? When I click these 2 buttons, like, am I just going to lose a ton of money because I was naive? This is going to be the checklist that gives you a lot of confidence from your very first purchase. And once you make your first $100, there's literally nothing stopping you. The first roadblock you're going to hit is when you get banned by one of the sports books, which is okay. You take your money out, or limited by sportsbook. You take your money out, and then there are a lot of other options. We cover that in the full course. But your first $100 profit, I want to help sure you're able to make that with confidence. Bonus number 2 is positive EV daily routine, 15 minutes to profit. So the course is primarily about sports arbitrage. That's how I got into it. That is the free money that's just sitting out there for anyone to claim. But after I started getting some momentum, after that first month with sports arbitrage, I actually did venture into positive EV trading, and it was wild how cool it was. I mean, the ability to just do this enough over time. I actually have a full tracker inside the main course that goes over how the odds over time are guaranteed in your favor over enough bets. So I go through the EV tracker. I always recommend starting with arbitrage. Take the free money, but take a percentage of those profits and then just reinvest them into EV trading. Obviously, OddsJam helps you do all of that. Bonus number 3, one of the most important ones out there, Sportsbook Soft Ban Avoidance Guide, Bet Like a Pro. How to make sure your butt is not getting banned, or at least making sure you can make as much money on the platform before you get banned. So again, one of the best ones I had was Bet365, which lasted me all through that first month. And then I started pounding it hard, and they eventually banned me. Obviously, there were a lot of others I used, but making sure that you don't get banned too fast. And then there are a lot of workarounds. You can always create second accounts, stuff like that. But this bonus is going to help you avoid that ban, the suspensions, the limiting as much as possible. Bonus number 4, Fantasy Optimizer Edge, 5 winning prize pick strategies. I actually avoided this for a long time. Just the idea of positive EV on multi-tiered bets just didn't make a lot of sense to me. I was like, when I entered that, am I just a gambler at that point? But it's crazy how much money I was able to make doing that strategy. Highly recommend it. I could not believe how profitable it was and consistently profitable it was when you had the right edge. So we're going to cover those in bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is the affiliate video scripts monetize your wins. This is something that I cannot recommend enough. We made a lot of money not only on OddsJam, but we've made good money as an affiliate because it's a freaking incredible software. Like, why would you not want a software that just hands you free money? So what we're going to do is give you these video scripts. So you can go on something like TikTok and say, as you're making your free money with Sports Arbitrage, say, hey, I just made a free $100 and I didn't know what I was doing 2 days ago. If you want to learn how, here's how, right? So we're going to give you these video scripts that you can use as an affiliate for OddsJam, just like I am. So you can not only make free money from betting, you can also make free money by promoting their software. And again, it's such a great thing to promote because if you know the strategy, it's just free wins. So you're going to get these 5 bonuses on top of my full course teaching you how to do sports arbitrage and eventually in some EV trading and going a little bit into fantasy plays as well, things like prize picks and stuff like that. So guys, I hope you pick it up through my link if you decide to grab it. I couldn't believe how fun the strategy was. I actually started it for the first time near the end of basketball season last year. I didn't bet a lot during the MLB and NFL season. I'm actually picking it up again for basketball season. It's just a blast. So if you have any questions about OddsJam, feel free to ask them in the description or in the comment section. I can answer them there or make another video. But make sure to be following my main channel. Again, it's at Jake Thornhill. That's going to let you see the full course when it comes out, or you can just get full access to the course literally today by signing up using the link in the description. You click this button, and then you complete your purchase at OddsJam. Just make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com so I can send you those bonuses. I just need to be able to confirm that you completed the purchase. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the bonuses. I'm hopefully going to be sending you very, very soon. I'll see you again very soon on the next video.